Alright, welcome to my channel. It's Lock Chuck. What I'm working on today is a couple of brass padlocks from Australia. Syneco. I'm not familiar with the brand, but these came from a fellow lockpicker that's daughter had gone to Australia and brought him back some locks. So thanks, Tom, for letting me have a go at these. I'm going to try this one first. It's a 40 millimeter. Does have a bit of a paracentric keyway. It is locked up. I hadn't even taken the keys off of it yet, so let's see if I can. Nope, not that tensioner. Let's see what we have. What is it? Is it 5? I'm assuming it's 5. Yeah, 5 pin. And this tensioner will not fit either. So where'd this one go? Let's try this one in the top. I have to go bottom. Let's go bottom then. Okay, that's fine. Nothing in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing so far. Maybe a click out of 4. Slight click, I think that was 5, and I felt a little movement on the core. 2, nothing. 3, nothing. 4. I'm gonna switch picks a little bit deeper. Let's see. 1, 2 gave a click. 3, 4, 5, nothing. Okay, I'll come back out, start at the front. 1, and I tap 1 and we're open. So there we have it. So that one is open. I can take the keys off now. Didn't feel really security pins. It just felt like I was having to just set them. You know, got a little bit deeper every time I set a pin. This is I believe a 20 millimeter version, 4 pin little lock according to the key. Let's see what we can do with this. Okay, we'll try bottom of keyway. There's a lot of play in that. It almost looks like it's turning far enough to open, but let's go back to a really. Okay. 1. Felt like I got a click. And I'm trying to get up under 2, and we're open already. So I believe the shackle, should see the shackle is open. So I felt like I only picked 1 and 2. Let's see if I can tell if there are 4 pins in this thing. Let's see. 2, 3. I'm only counting 3. So I'm only counting 3, looking at the key. Maybe it says back 3 because that first pin is really deep in there. It's about that far in, which would correspond with. If I marked that right, that was going all the way to the. Let's see. I need to use a probe. Okay, it was going that deep to the edge of the first pin, and that puts it at just the last 2 pins. So there's 1, 2. I'm hearing 3 clicks, but I swear I only picked 2 pins. And this was supposed to be a fairly quick video, but maybe some of you fellow Australian pickers, if you're knowledgeable about this brand, maybe you could let me know if that is correct. I'm going to try top of keyway this time. it's just amazing how much that core turns, and it's not open. So, and why are the pins just letting it turn that far? Are they spools or what? Let's see. Okay, that was 1, 2. Feel like a little bit of something. I don't know if you want to call it counter or not, but now I probably won't be able to get it the second time. Should have quit. Here's one click. Okay, gotta go back to bottom. Alright, there we go. I just push under, lift the first one and I push under the second one and it opens. So, looking at the key, that would be 3, probably lifting, and then I'm just basically, I don't think there's a 4th pin right here at the beginning. I think I'm just basically pushing up that one and I'm mimicking the key. If that's the case, again, I probably need to stop, but curiosity, curiosity. I'm wondering if I use a straight probe. Use this as a probe. Just go in and lift up, and I'm open. Yep. So that's what it is. That there's not 4 pins. It's 3 pins right there, and I'm able to mimic it by using the back of the pick. So okay. All right. Thanks for watching.